So here's the update on the dining table. So I cut out the paper to the dimensions it said, which was 37 millimeters by 37 millimeters. And then I've taped it on and done the edges. And see, this is what I was talking about. Oh, alarm. This is what I was talking about as far as I just cut those off when it dries. But this is still drying. And there are holes through the wood, but I think the wire will only go through the bottom part, not the top. So then I cut this wire. These 4 pieces were 48 millimeters. And then it says to, once you have the straight piece, crimp it at 20, where this part is 22. So I took it and crimped it there, and then I twisted it up. And that's going to make those legs. And then I have 4. These are 15 millimeters long. So what's going to happen is they're going to go in the holes like such. And then these are going to go in between like such. And then once I have all that together, I also cut a piece that was a total of 88 millimeters. If I said centimeters before, I meant millimeters. And this one's kind of funky looking, but this is the part that's going to go. Is that on? There we go. It's going to go around the legs. But you do it like this. It's 11, 22, 22, 22, 11. And then it's going to get glued together. So that's where I'm at with that. And the next step will be the dining chair. So why don't I grab the pieces for that? So I need, excuse me, wood pieces from bag 3. Did I put 3 in something? Doesn't look like it. Okay. And I was scooting some stuff around. Hopefully I didn't mix up where bag 3 is. So this is 36 from A36 from bag 3 and A37. There should be 2 more, one of each. Okay. And then thick white wire from bag 4. So that was in that other one that I looked at last time that I put in this container. This guy. Oops, there's a silver wire in there too. Come on, you. Okay, thick white wire. So what we're gonna need for this, we're gonna need a length that's 552 millimeters. So let me scoot some stuff out of the way here. This is very flexy. 5, 5, 2. Here's a black pen. Am I on the right side? Yes. So it's 50, 100. Oh geez. Okay. Well, let's just do it like this. 100. About 100. So that's 200. 300. So maybe the entire length. 400, about 500, so this is about 600 long. I think I may just cut each of the individual pieces. So what I'm going to need to do, scratch the wire to remove the words. think I got wire that doesn't have words on it. Yes, the whole length does not have words. Okay, so that's cool. So I need, pardon, 2 pieces that are 28 millimeters, 3 pieces that are 30, and 1 that's 130 for each one. So this looks like it's the 130, and then the 2 front ones are going to be these 28s, I'm going to guess, and then the 3 go in here. And I need 2 sets because I'm doing it twice. Okay, so that's, oh, the seat goes together. Okay, that's cool. So that's it. That's all I'm going to do for this video. I just wanted to show you what I was doing with that. So more later, because cutting wire is boring and hard to get on camera anyway. Thanks for watching.